How to turn on Touch ID on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Scroll down and tap Touch ID and Passcode. You may be asked to enter your iPhone passcode. Simply enter your passcode to continue. Under Use Touch ID for, you can choose what you want to use Touch ID for, such as iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay, and password autofill. To add your fingerprint, tap Add a Fingerprint. Place your finger on the Home button, but don't press it. Your iPhone will ask you to repeatedly lift and place your finger on the sensor. Continue following the instructions and slightly adjust the position of your finger each time, so Touch ID can recognize different parts of your fingerprint. Continue placing the edges of your finger on the Home button until the process is finished. Once you see Fingerprint Added, tap Continue. Now your fingerprint is registered, and you can use Touch ID to unlock your iPhone 8 Plus and authenticate supported features. And that's how you can turn on and set up Touch ID on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.